So it has a lot of my kit. Wow. Male to female dimple cable. Nice. Oh yeah. I have a multimeter. I'll check potential difference of his brain now. क्या क्या चाहिए काम करो ना अपना. I think this is the solder iron. Yes. This is the solder stand. It is dirt cheap, man. This is 20 rupees for. This is that flux, I think. Yes. This is the flux. And what the hell is this? What is solder? Desoldering pump. Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't think I'm gonna use it anytime soon. Whatever. What is? Oh yeah. This is the 6-channel band which you put on your head to read your brain waves. Something cool in a long time. And then this is my breadboard. Now this was like some 40 rupees, man. This is the Indian made Arduino. I think that Italian ones stopped coming to India. 1 second. Yeah. My hand shouldn't be electronically charged, or else like it could destroy using the electrostatic. But yeah, cool. This is cool. I love this. I'm gonna order a Raspberry Pi also. And one cool thing about it, you can see there is, I think this is 12 by 8 LED. This has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything in it. And plus this is very cheap, I think so 1300 rupees. So you can use this matrix as your screen also. Very good. I love this. And then you have this heart sensor thing. I just saw it on the website and I just ordered it. I'll try to learn from it. Let's see. Okay, this has like electrodes, I think. The medical stuff. Looks like some medical stuff. And what the hell are these, yo? These are very small, and why are there so many of female to female? Damn, not gonna say it. Okay, this guy unboxed itself. Okay, a very handy tool to even open and cut wires. Like you can lock it in here as I did. Oh, it has like fresh grease on it. It will stay locked, and once you just click it, it will open. I think it's opening too much, man. There should be some protection, I think. Yeah, but okay, whatever. Is it everything which I ordered here? What is this? Oh, I think this is the desoldering wick. Some copper wick. This copper fiber kind of thing made of copper. I don't think I'll be using this. This would be the wire. Yeah, correct. And they come in a lot of configuration. I don't understand about them a lot. Ah man, good old sensor. I think I'll start with line following robots and all of those things, and I'll try to put AI wherever I can. And I think I'll also start with this thing. Digital image processing, streaming, taking decisions on top of it, because modern day LLMs are so big and so slow that they won't work. I think I'll stick to OpenCV and might train some YOLO net. This is a PIR sensor, I think, yeah. With that Fresnel or some kind of lens. Remind me of old days. What I'm excited about are these bands, these EMG bands. I think this one is EMG and the other one had some different name. I think, yeah, this is it for this unboxing. Nothing else. I'll just check if everything ordered has come. I don't want to leak my address. Okay, yeah. Bye.